The Bermuda Triangle, an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes allegedly disappear under mysterious circumstances. Does it really swallow ships and planes, or are these stories just a bunch of BS? It's unclear exactly where the Bermuda Triangle is. Some say it's down here between Florida, Cuba, and the Bahamas. Others say it's here in the Gulf Stream. But regardless of its exact location, there's no denying that many ships and planes have gone missing in this area over the years. In 1945, 500 planes disappeared while flying into the Bermuda Triangle. In 1979, a massive cruise ship called the Empress of the Seas vanished with 150 people on board. And in 2017, a small plane went missing in the area and was never found. Now, obviously, for something to be considered mysterious, it has to be unexplained. So let's examine some of the alleged explanations for the Bermuda Triangle phenomenon. Some say it's a giant whirlpool that sucks everything into its center. But we know for a fact that there is no giant whirlpool in the Bermuda Triangle because whirlpools are caused by differences in water temperature, and the water in the Bermuda Triangle is pretty uniform in temperature. Others say it's magnetic, like there's a giant magnet underneath the ocean that messes with compasses and electronics, causing ships to lose their way. But if you look at maps of the Earth's magnetic field, you'll see that there's nothing unusual about the Bermuda Triangle. Still others blame methane. See, when methane hydrates melt, they release huge amounts of gas. And if this were to happen in the Bermuda Triangle, the gas would form a massive cloud that could theoretically sink a ship or cause a plane to crash. But there's no evidence that this has ever happened. In fact, scientists have studied the Bermuda Triangle extensively and they haven't found anything out of the ordinary. They say that the number of ships and planes that disappear in the Bermuda Triangle is actually quite normal, and that most of the stuff you read about it is just a bunch of nonsense. But if that's true, then why do so many ships and planes go missing in this area? Well, one possible explanation is that the Bermuda Triangle is just a really busy area. Lots of ships and planes fly through it every year, so it's only to be expected that some of them would run into trouble. Another explanation is that the area is particularly dangerous for ships because of the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a strong current that flows northward along the eastern coast of the United States, and it can be very dangerous for ships because it can cause sudden storms and rough seas. So there you have it. The Bermuda Triangle may not be as mysterious as some people think, but that doesn't mean that it's not dangerous. Just ask the crews of the hundreds of ships and planes that have crashed in the area. They'll tell you that the Bermuda Triangle is a real-life danger zone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.